thought I'd make a little public service announcement for anyone who enjoys doing woodworking projects like I do, but just was not aware of the best places to get your wood. I have a sheet of walnut plywood with MDF core. The guy said the MDF core will make the wood stay straighter and flatter, keep it from warping. And then these are 3 sheets of birch plywood, very high grade. It's sanded on both sides. It's really almost cabinet grade, really. It's really good quality wood, no knots. I mean, well, this is like the biggest knot you'll find in it right here. Really good quality wood. I used to buy my plywood at Home Depot or Lowe's, not realizing that there were other alternatives. When I looked up wood at Home Depot, sheets of 3/4 inch birch were $85. And I found this at Dakota Hardwoods, or maybe it was called Dakota Premium Hardwoods in Northwest Houston. And these were $44 a sheet instead of $85. Now this walnut plywood here is, I forgot what they called it, A grade on one side. The other side is nice, but not this nice. And this was $140 a sheet, but it's very high quality. It doesn't even need to be sanded. I mean, it is smooth as can be. Beautiful wood, no voids in any of the little knots. Everything is really high quality. And it really saved me a whole lot of money versus buying this stuff at Home Depot. So there you go. Shop around. Don't just go to the big box stores. Find your wood wholesalers and get much higher quality wood at a cheaper price. And in case anybody's wondering, that walnut plywood, here's the back side of it. This is the non-good side of it. But the non-good side of it's still really pretty wood. It is way heavier than this birch plywood. Unloading it out of the truck, not so easy.